Okay, so this is a video that I just created from this photo in Google Vids, and that is possible because Google just added the VO3 model into this AI platform, and that means you can easily transform your static image into a realistic video via this AI platform. Now, before I show you how you can actually convert a photo into a video, there are a few things that you need to know. So according to this blog post, apparently, this feature is only available if you live in the US. And for now, the ability to generate a video from an image is not available in the European Economic Area, Switzerland, and the UK. But honestly, this list is not quite complete because I heard some people from some African and Asian countries say that they are not able to use this feature. So perhaps you might want to use a VPN service and then connect your network to the US, and eventually you should be able to see the option to convert a photo into a video. But that is assuming you fulfill the second requirement, which is you have to be in the Google Workspace plan or in the Google AI Pro or Ultra subscription. Otherwise, you are not able to create a video from a photo in Google Vids. So these two requirements must be fulfilled, and only after that you can create a video from a photo. Now, if you have these requirements ready, then let me show you how you can convert a photo into a video via Google Vids. First, let's go to vids.google.com. and I'm going to start a new video project. Let me click this option and I'll select blank video, and after that click video. So that's basically the menu that you can open to start using the VO3 model. Now I'm going to be using this photo. This is actually the 3D asymmetric view of this Tokyo Tower, which I just converted using Gemini Nano Banana. And by the way, if you are interested to learn more on how you can convert any object or any photo into this really cool asymmetric view, then you can check the tutorial on my channel. You can just go to my channel and then use the keyword 3D asymmetric, and I think you should be able to find the video about this particular topic. Anyway, let's move on to Google Vids. I'm going to click image and let me select that photo. And for the instruction, I will use this one. This is the one that I have prepared for this video. Okay, after that, just click create and wait for about 1 to 2 minutes until VO3 is eventually able to create the final video. So I'll just jump forward and show you the result. Okay, so the video has been created, and I guess I'm going to just insert this video into this timeline. I'm going to click the insert button. Just wait for it, and I'm going to preview the video. Okay, it's kind of decent, although it is not really following my prompt because I mentioned that I want to have a static camera. But hey, you can try again, and if there is something that you want to change, you can always go back and create a video again, but with a slightly different prompting. But that's basically how you can easily convert a photo into a video using Google Vids. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.